In this video, we'll use a set of prepared sample data to guide you through using the THMC software site Conceptual Model Information GUI. We'll demonstrate how to create a groundwater flow contour map and apply advanced tools for customized visualization. Our ultimate goal is to generate a two-dimensional geological model like the one in the picture. First, we'll create a new project. Click Project in the top toolbar, then click New. In the pop-up window, name the new project and click Confirm to complete it. If you're halfway through a project, you can simply pass it on to someone else to complete. First, click on the site Conceptual Model Information GUI at the top of the interface to enter the site page. Next, click on Wizards, then select Data Visualization Wizard. You will see a configuration panel appear on the left side of the screen. At the top of the panel, find Resource, click Import, and in the File Path field, select your text file, which in our sample is named Pressure Head. Once opened, the pressure head data will be imported into the tool. Click Add, and the data points will be displayed in the visualization window. You can also choose from different interpolation methods here. By default, the VTK_Shepherd method is selected, which is the most commonly used. Next, find Gridding and Mesh. Beside the boundary section, click Import, then select the boundary data file. You'll now see the boundary lines appear around the data points we just imported. You may also choose Image with Grid to automatically generate an image grid based on the data nodes, or select TIN to use a pre-constructed 2D triangular mesh. In the Interpolation Settings section, you can adjust the boundary coordinates and the grid size, as well as parameters related to the interpolation method. However, for this example, we will stick with the default parameters. Next, I'll demonstrate how to use the optional layer function of THMC to add a field map layer under the geological model we just created. You can directly click on the Create in the optional layer to let the software automatically calculate and generate the contour lines and flow arrows of the model. Next, you can select and adjust the objects generated by the software. Select the object you want to adjust in the resource browser window on the left. You can then adjust its parameters in the Properties editor below. You can adjust items like the ratio and size of the flow arrows, as well as the number of colors and colors for the contour lines. Next, we'll explore more advanced tools to fine-tune the model and make it better fit our specific needs. To adjust the colors displayed on our model, first, find the Interpolation section under Resource Browser, and click on the dataset you want to edit. You can now set the minimum and maximum values to control the color range, and decide whether values below the minimum should be displayed as transparent. You can also change the color scheme to better suit your visualization needs. Now let's see how to modify the contour line settings. Click on Geostatistics from the top toolbar, then choose Create Contour. A contour configuration window will pop up. You can set either a fixed range and number of lines for equal division, or specify an interval for evenly spaced lines. To optimize an existing contour layer, go to Contour under Resource Browser, and click on the contour dataset you wish to modify. You can then edit the interval of contour in the property editor below. If you want to import GIS image from external sources, from the top toolbar, click Resource, then choose Import GIS Image. Select the image file you want to import. Make sure a world file is present for georeferencing. Here's a quick reference of common world file extensions. To save your image, go to the top toolbar of either the Render View or Print Layout, and click the Save icon. This will save both a .png image and a .pgw world file with coordinate information. Alternatively, you can use the Copy icon in the same toolbar to copy the current view and paste it directly into a PowerPoint or Word document. Once we have the model we want, we can overlay the field map layer on top of our model. Click Set, and the software will automatically locate the coordinates of the imported data using Google Maps. Click Save to update the region. Then click Create, and you will see the 2D model we just built overlaid on the map. You can also choose whether to generate a contour layer, enable flow direction arrows, and convert values to elevation. After making your selections, click Create again to finalize. To display the map on the screen, click the map icon at the far right of the visualization window's toolbar. Then click OK to automatically load the generated map into the map window. In the right-hand panel of the map window, you'll find the Map Switch menu. By default, the map is set to Google Maps. Select your desired base map to switch accordingly. To import an OBJ file, click Resource from the top toolbar, then select Import OBJ. Choose the desired .obj file, and it will be imported into the scene. Now, I will show you how to export the model we just created into an image file. Go to the toolbar at the top of the visualization window and click on the Edit Print Layout icon. In the pop-up window, click the button at the top right to show or hide map layers. Click on a layer name to access its properties editor below, where you can edit properties, such as font size, line width, etc. You can also zoom and pan the map using the mouse. Besides, you can check the layer to decide whether to display it. Once everything is set, click the Save icon at the top left to export the current view as an image. Finally, we can get a two-dimensional visual model.